Zeb, I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me? I think the supermarket is closed now. Oh, when does it close? It closes at 7 on Sunday. That's too bad. Don't worry, we can go tomorrow morning. It's on at 8. Alright, what do you want to do now? Let's take a walk for a head and hoe. My sister will get here at about 8:30, and then we can all go out to dinner. Where does she live? She lives in San Francisco. How long have she lived there? I think she lived there for about 10 years. That's a long time. Where did she live before that? San Diego.